Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Big Memo Man channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to implement basic advanced player movement. This is the same movement that is used in Coulson. Just a heads up, I'm winging this entire... I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, this might not even come out. But anyway, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go over to the hierarchy, click on 3D object, click on capsule, click on reset and transform, change the scale on the Y to 1.5, move this up. I'm gonna do that. Just make sure it's just slightly off the ground. You want to move the camera. There we go. Alright, well, move the camera up here, right? Put in... just so it's inside of the top of the capsule. You want to parent it under the capsule. You want to name the capsule player. You want to create a new empty underneath the main camera. I'm gonna call it head. I'm gonna put it under the player game object. Create a new one, call it orientation, create a new one, call it camera. I think you put the main camera under the camera, move that up a bit. Right, okay, under the player, you want to put I want to get a rigid body, click on add a component, give it a rigid body. Oh, fuck off, rigid body, yep, there we go. Collision detection, set that to continuous, click on interpolate. Use gravity on, turn off is kinematic, go to constraints to freeze the rotation on all axes. Underneath the... underneath the head, actually no, I'm just gonna go to put it underneath orientation. Create a new object, you don't have to do this, it just represents the direction the player's looking in. But look at bro. Guy has glasses, man's sick. Man's actually got swagger. Anyway. After you've added the rigid body, put the player movement script, which I will link in the description on the player. Put the player camera to the camera game object. Put the orientation underneath orientation. Go create a new layer, so go to your plane, and anything that you want to be walkable, click on add layer, call it ground. Like so. Heads up, there's no programming in this video, it's just kind of setting up player movement based off a script I'm gonna provide. Anyway, create a new layer, give the floor the layer of ground. I have a small environment set up here, I'm gonna give all of them the layer of ground, like so. Go over to the player, I think that's about it. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna change it like 400, like 450. Then underneath the player game object, you wanna put the player camera, the move camera script. Move camera. Then you want to put the player underneath the head. I think you want to put the main camera underneath the camera. Oh, okay, then you want to create a new physics object. Go to assets, create a new physics object, physics material. I'm going to call it ground. Give it a dynamic friction, a static friction of 0. Just gonna select everything there. Why does only some of this have a... oh, that's a fucking mesh collider, right. Yeah, okay, so just every collider that you want to be walkable, give it the ground material, and then give it the ground layer. Then go back to the player, make sure you have everything set up like I do. Go over to the camera, make sure that's set up. I think that's gonna work. If it doesn't, I'll probably cut the video and show what I did wrong. Yeah, okay, so as you can see, I'm in the game. Can jump about... ooh, jump gravity is very high. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so what I would go do, this is just a really shitty fix, but most people use it, I suppose, Danny uses it. Just go to the project settings, go to physics, not physics 2D, click on physics, go to settings. Change that to -30. Yeah, it affects everything in your scene, but you can just you can change mass and gravity scale on certain objects and shit, and yeah, you'll be fine. That's good. Good shit. You can slide, like so. And jump. You can't wall run with the script, but you can do quite a bit. I can jump on here. You can even crouch jump, I think. Aye. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.